everybody? It's your boy Supreme Nige here, coming at y'all with a brand new unboxing video. This is going to be one of my last Supreme unboxings. I actually don't have Supreme, as you can tell. We got Yeezys and other stuff coming your way in this unboxing, so definitely stay tuned. This is going to be definitely one of my last Supreme unboxings. I did pick up a couple things this last week, but this last week of Supreme was very bad. Very dry week. Barely had nothing dropping. I just went for a couple of things in a freaking triple cart. I'll show you guys a screenshot here there. I did not make a live cop for that video, so that's why you guys don't see a live cop video from me. But yeah, I just got a couple hats and then the Zippo in one cart, as you guys can see by the screenshot I showed you. But this video, I'm gonna be unboxing these packages back here. I believe we got a couple sneakers. One is a Yeezy, obviously you can see the Boost, and then a couple Supreme, and then I actually have some Palace. I haven't actually brought any Palace to my channel yet, but I'm thinking about expanding to Palace and doing all that and doing some stuff with that. Let's get right on into the first package. So this one is gonna be from Supreme, I'm guessing. And this is probably gonna be my tee cart, my 4 tees that I got in one cart manually. Swift Soul didn't work for me last week, so I had to go manual, unfortunately. It smells like chocolate in here. Did they give me some like chocolate or something like that? I don't know why it would smell like chocolate. I swear if they gave me no stickers with this fat e-cart. Oh, okay. So here is the tees in this cart right there, and then we got 2 box logos as the norm, and then we actually did get a Stay Positive pin. So, camera wants to focus on that real quick. There we go. Stay Positive, it's upside down. Supreme in spirit. Just a little free gift they're giving out with some packages. Hopefully I got another one in that other package. So first, I don't know. I did get every single one of these in extra large. This one's going to be an extra large black, the Bear tee. I honestly don't know if I'm going to be keeping any of these yet, so I'm probably not going to be undsing these. I'm going to keep them all in the pack, in the plastic. So sorry guys if you guys wanted to see unds stuff, but here is the Everywhere tee. I do believe this tee was pretty good, pretty fire. Not bad, honestly. Next one, this one's gonna be the No More Shit tee. Actually, if any of them, this one's probably gonna be the one that I keep, but because I do like this kind of purpley blue kind of colorway. It has the little box logo on the front there. Out of any of them, this one would be the one that I keep. And then actually, I don't know. Last but not least, we do have this Natural Blur tee right here, extra large again. There's logo and the print. I do like the natural on the pink. That is pretty fire. I mean the pink on the natural. But those are the tees that I got. So this one's gonna be a Palace package here for my next one. So we got a white Palace sticker. I believe they do send these out with every single order, but I only got one. Sometimes you get more than one. All right, last Palace drop. I did manage to catch a couple W's on these. We got a black tri-camo t-shirt here. I do not have any personal Palace stuff, so I'm actually gonna open this real quick to show you guys. I've never owned anything from Palace before. Very nice packaging, honestly. It's only almost better than Supreme packaging. Here is the camo Triferg. Very big Triferg on the back. And on the front, obviously, it's going to have a smaller Triferg. This one's in an extra large. Probably, I don't know. I'm probably going to hold this for a little bit until next summer. Yeah, if the price goes up, but probably not going to keep this one. The next thing I did get was probably going to be sticking in the personal collection from Palace. I'll go ahead and open up that one next, I guess. All right, looks like only one more Palace sticker in this order. This is absolutely fire. Oh wow, this whole thing is embroidered. Oh my god. These might actually go with the Yeezys, hint that I got. But here we go. This one's the Palaska embroidered crew neck. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging for you real quick. Oh wow. This embroidery is actually really nice. Really thick embroidery. I wonder how that's gonna feel on chest. Probably definitely have to wear something under this, but yeah. There is the Palaska tee. I did take an L in the other more hyped colorways than for this one, so this is the only one I was able to get in my size. but it still ended up selling out later down the road. But nice high quality embroidery in this piece. Very nice. I like it a lot. Probably gonna end up sticking in the personal collection. There goes. Quality does feel very similar to Supreme. It's very nice high quality fabric they use. I'm kind of curious on how this is gonna fit compared to other Supreme crew necks. I'm actually not gonna put this on right away. I'm gonna hold off and put it off to the side for now. Alright, let's move on to another Supreme package. Use my Supreme knife. Open up the boxes here. Alright, so I believe this one's going to be another multi-cart as well. Just a couple more things in here. Alright. This one's going to be the Cordura small box 6-panel. 6-panel? Yeah, it's Cordura small box 6-panel. It's the black. Right there, has the Cordura embroidered on the back there. You know, just basic black camp cap from Supreme. I already know. Ooh, okay. We got the big old new era balaclava in the olive colorway. All the other ones were sold out, so this was, well, maybe not all the other ones, but this was the next best colorway I was able to get besides the purple one. Very fire. I'm gonna definitely hold this, wait for it to go up in the price, because I already got the Stone Island balaclava. If you guys didn't know, I did get that with my big old live cop on the Stone Island week. If you guys want to go check that out, I'll post that right there. Alright, so looks like we did end up getting a Mariah Carey sticker. I guess Supreme felt like, here's a sticker, at least because you took an L on all the tees and all that from last week. But here, and then also a couple more box logos. That, nothing special. Moving on, this one's gonna be a sneaker. It's a sneaker pickup. Oh, whoops, kind of opened this up upside down. I don't know if you guys can tell from the box, but here we are. This one's gonna be size 4 youth grade school Jubilee, Air Jordan 11 Jubilee. I did manage to get like quite a bit of these pairs on the drop. I did get a personal size for me, of course, because this was an absolute mandatory cop. Oh, this size is so small. Right, boom, there's the Air Jordan Jubilee, size 4.5 youth, or grade school, whatever you want to call it. Very nice, clean shoe. I'm going to end up holding all my grade school pairs, but I am selling my size 9, I believe that is. Yes, I already sold a size 11, and then I sold my other size 13 that I got from my shock drop quite a bit ago when I first got that in. I made a little bit of profit on those 2 pairs that I sold so far. I am still trying to sell that size 9 back there, but then I also have a couple more grade school sizes that I'm going to end up holding. So this is definitely a very fire shoe. I do believe it will climb in its price in the future because it is pretty unique, has that metallic-y kind of feel on that, and then it does represent the 25 years of the Jordan 11, so I do believe that's a very nice feature on that. The last but certainly not least is going to be another Yeezy to add to the personal collection. It's going to be my size 13. Oh, you guys probably can't see that. There you go. This one's going to be the sand toupee colorway. I forgot what exactly the name was. You guys know once I show you. Boom, there we go. Here we have the Yeezy 350 sand toupee or whatever it was. There's the bottom with the boost, of course. This is only my second pair of Yeezys 350s in the collection. I do have a 350 Zion that I got earlier this year. These do come with the infinity lacing kind of a feature right there. They do come with a little set of laces that have like some reflective on it right there. I don't know if you guys can tell, but all of this is reflective. So I'm probably gonna swap these out, put on those there. And you do actually have to end up cutting the laces on there in order to take these off because they are all one lace basically. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up a little bit this little mess I got going on, put some of this stuff back in its plastic. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Hope you guys liked it. Please drop a like if you did. Definitely subscribe to my channel for future content like this. That'll be much appreciated. So now that the Supreme season has finally came to an end, I'm not gonna have that much videos coming out during the off season, so definitely drop some comments down below to bring me some ideas on what content that you guys might want to see on this channel more in the future during the off seasons like stuff. I might do some more like sneaker live cops and stuff like that, and maybe some more sneaker unboxing and pickup stuff. But yeah, it's been your boy Supreme Nige. I love you all so much. Much love to you all. Appreciate you all. Peace out.